Hey there, space enthusiasts. Welcome to another exciting video where we explore the vast mysteries of the cosmos. But before we dive into this cosmic journey, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more thrilling content. Today, we're stepping away from the usual science and leaning into the realm of the hypothetical. We're setting the stage for a not-so-scientific edition of Earth versus Uranus, a cosmic collision. So fasten your seatbelts and prepare for an interstellar ride that's as wild as your imagination can allow. Ready? Let's get started. Imagine a celestial event of unparalleled magnitude, a cosmic collision between Earth and Uranus. It's a wildly thrilling, completely wacky and oh-so-wonderfully outlandish scenario that would hurl our humble home corner of the cosmos into a chaotic carnival of unparalleled desolation. Now picture the immediate and deafening kaboom. It wouldn't just be a bang. It would be an all-encompassing, gut-rattling, space-time shattering explosion. This would not be a sound, but a force, a cataclysmic shockwave reverberating through the very fabric of the universe, creating ripples in the cosmic pond that would echo for light years around. The fireworks from this collision would make any 4th of July spectacle pale in comparison. We're not talking about simple showers of sparks. No, the heavens themselves would ignite in a riot of colors, bathing the cosmos in brilliant hues blue and gold. Comets would become impromptu shooting stars, tracing fiery arcs across the sky as they're pushed and pulled by the gravitational chaos. The aftermath? It would not just be a simple celestial debris party. Chunks of Earth and Uranus, now cosmic renegades, would bid adieu to the solar system, joining in what can be described as the universe's biggest demolition derby. Imagine fragments of planets, moons, and asteroids hurtling through space, spinning and tumbling in a frenzied ballet of destruction. Some would join the asteroid belt's high-octane shindigs, while others would embark on lonely, millennia-long voyages into the unknown. A celestial spectacle of unrivaled extravagance and chaos. As the cataclysmic event unfolded, the solar system, stunned and shaken, found itself grappling with the massive shockwaves. These shockwaves, no less calamitous than the event itself, rippled through the cosmic neighborhood, causing a seismic stir in the interplanetary canvas. The once passive celestial bodies were rudely jolted out of their peaceful existence, their cosmic tranquility shattered in the blink of an eye. Planets like Mars and Jupiter were not spared from this cosmic drama. Swept up in what could only be described as a gravitational roller coaster ride, they found themselves drawn into a chaotic dance, their orbits destabilized and wrenched out of sync. The usually placid Mars was tossed about like a feather in a storm, its red surface rippling in response to the gravitational upheaval. Jupiter, with its massive size and gravity, was able to put up a fight, but even it was not immune to the gravitational turbulence. The ripple effects of the collision were like a stone dropped in a calm lake, creating concentric circles of disruption that disturbed the serene existence of the solar system. This was not a simple shake-up. It was a profound alteration of the known cosmos. The solar system as we know it felt the brunt of significant changes, impacting not just the planetary orbits, but also resulting in drastic alterations in atmospheric compositions, planetary rotations, and magnetic fields. It was a reminder that the cosmos is a dynamic, ever-changing landscape, where peace is often interspersed with bouts of chaos and unrest. Meanwhile, back on Earth, if there's anything left to rightfully label as Earth, it'd be unadulterated pandemonium. Earthquakes would be seen, throwing unprecedented tantrums, shaking the very core of the planet, and shattering the serenity with their ferocious roars. Land masses would rupture, creating chasms that swallow whole cities in an instant. Tsunamis, on the other hand, would be making monstrous skyscraper-high waves, their wrathful water bodies obliterating coastal lines and washing away any signs of civilization. The angry sea would surge far inland, leaving destruction in its wake. Wildfires would be dancing their deadly dance, lighting up the landscapes with an eerie orange glow. The flames would be uncontainable, spreading faster than the wind, reducing forests to ashes, and transforming human habitats into smoky ruins. The sky, once a symbol of unending possibilities, would morph into a gloomy dust bowl, ashen clouds swirling and obscuring the sun, casting long-lasting shadows on the distraught world. The azure blanket would be smothered by dust and debris, a constant gloomy reminder of the catastrophe below. Temperatures would plummet, driving us into the icy grip of a nuclear winter. Except this cold, unforgiving winter would be devoid of any nuclear genesis. The world would freeze under the shadow of its own ruin, the chilling reality biting into the very soul of the survivors. The crowning calamity of this catastrophic cake, a mass extinction event, an unparalleled catastrophe that would ravage the Earth, leaving nothing but relics of once thriving life behind. Humans, with their survival instincts pushed to unimaginable limits, would grapple with the harsh reality of a world turned ice age overnight. Animals too, from the smallest insects to the largest mammals, would wrestle with food scarcity and excruciating cold temperatures. Their survival hangs precariously on the cliff of extinction. It's as if nature, in her unpredictable and formidable majesty, throws not just a curveball but an entire avalanche, wiping the slate clean and ruthlessly hitting the reset button. A sinister reboot that triggers a chilling new epoch where survival is no longer a game but the only reality. If Earth were to endure this astronomical upheaval, it would come out on the other side barely identifiable. It's an all-out transformation, to put it mildly. Emergence of new continents would take place, with fiery volcanoes and seismic activities playing the role of the artisan, reshaping the crust of the Earth like a master sculptor. These new landmasses, born out of upheavals and tectonic shifts, would exhibit a variety of geographical, from towering mountain ranges to expansive plateaus and deep winding valleys. Their arrival would completely reformulate the global map, and with it, the geopolitical dynamics of the world. The climate would also undergo an extreme makeover. What was once a comfortable temperate zone might become a searing desert or a frigid tundra. Alternatively, a dry savanna could evolve into a tropical rainforest. These drastic climate changes, driven by alterations in the Earth's orbital parameters or the concentration of greenhouse gases, would trigger new patterns of precipitation and temperature, and would dictate the evolution of new ecosystems and species. The landscapes, on the other hand, might resemble alien terrain more than anything we know of Earth. Vast stretches of luminescent sands, monolithic rock formations that defy gravity, and forests of towering crystal spires could become the new normal. The skies might be painted with hues we've never seen before, courtesy of novel atmospheric compositions. It's an unparalleled cosmic makeover session that Earth certainly didn't pencil into its calendar. This certainly is purely conjecture, a whimsical flight of imagination that outrageously defies each and every established law of physics we know and respect. However, isn't it an exciting prospect to dive into the realm of what-ifs? Our solar system, in its awe-inspiring grandeur, is akin to a meticulously choreographed ballet, where each celestial body, from the tiniest asteroid to the most gigantic planet, dances to the rhythm of cosmic forces. Their movements are precise, their orbits are predictable, and random collisions, such as a spectacular punch-up between Earth and Uranus, are not listed on the dance card. Yet isn't it absolutely thrilling to let our imaginations run amok? To create thrilling scenarios where our beloved Earth and the enchantingly enigmatic Uranus engage in a ferocious duel for the crown of cosmic supremacy. It's like weaving our own cosmic fairy tale, brimming with celestial drama and cosmic chaos. If this theoretical cosmic collision scenario tickled your funny bone, and you found yourself entertained by such offbeat yet intriguing space narratives, then don't hesitate to hit that like button and subscribe for more such ludicrously entertaining space scenarios. Moreover, feel free to share your own versions of wild and zany space scenarios in the comments section. Remember, space is an endlessly strange and mystifying place, a cosmic playground where there's absolutely no harm in letting our creative juices flow and having a bit of fun. And so, we reach the end of our imaginative cosmic journey. We've danced with the planets, we've been spectators to a celestial showdown, and we've even dared to imagine a cataclysmic collision. We've explored the realm of what-ifs, and in doing so, we've realized that the universe is not just about hard facts and cold science. It's also a canvas for our creativity and imagination. As we draw the curtain on this cosmic ballet, we hope you've enjoyed this flight of fancy. It's been a thrilling journey, and we've loved having you aboard our spaceship of imagination. Remember, the universe is vast and mysterious, and there's always more to explore and understand. So keep your curiosity alive, keep looking up at the stars, and never stop imagining the unimaginable. If this cosmic journey sparked your interest, and you found yourself captivated by the mysteries of the universe, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Also, do share your own cosmic narratives in the comments section. We'd love to hear your imaginative stories. Until next time, keep exploring the universe.